We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2023 Kia EV6. This one's already been attacked. They've stole it. The customer managed to get it back with just a simple Apple AirTag, but now he's tried to secure the vehicle, so he's given us a call, and we fitted a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So if a thief done a relay attack, copied the key, caused the damage they've done here to try and steal it, started it up, as soon as they put it in gear, it's going to go from ready to off, and they're going to be unable to drive it away. There you go, car's cut out, they're unable to drive it. If we try reverse this time, start the car up, we'll put it in reverse, it's going to cut out, so they're unable to drive it. Simplest way to use this is pair up your Bluetooth phone. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this connected device. Now with the Bluetooth on, just get in the car, start it up. It disarms straight away, we can select our gear and drive off. As you can see, we're in drive and we can drive away. If the phone goes flat, you're going to want to be able to drive your vehicle. So if the phone's flat, you start in it, you can use a unique push sequence. So start the car up, before selecting your gear, put your unique code in. 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Hear that disarm tone, and now we can select our gear. So if the phone goes flat, you can still use the push sequence. If the customer wants to set their own code, what they'll do is turn the ignition on. On this vehicle, it's a double press with your foot off the brake, disarm the system, whether that be with the phone or the code. Then they'll press one button 5 times. So for now, we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this one. Cycle the ignition off and then back on with a double press. We get 5 bleeps, and now it's ready to change the code. So we'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation and then repeat the code a second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. And that's the code learnt. We can turn the vehicle off. So now next time they get in it, what they'll do is start it up. Obviously the old code won't work, so they have to use a new code. So they'll start it up, put their new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hear the disarm tone, they can select their gear, drive away. This also has a service mode. What you'll do, go to any button, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. You'll cycle the ignition off. When you turn it back on, you're going to get 2 bleeps. That puts this into service mode. So that means when it goes back to Kia, they need to service it or road test it, just hand them the key. It's going to start up, go into gear and drive like a normal vehicle. The Starline's completely disabled and the car's as it is when it left the factory. When you get it back, all you've got to do, start the car up, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4 like we have for now. We get 2 bleeps and the system's back on. So now we'll turn the vehicle off, give it 10 seconds to set, and you'll see the car's going to start up. If we don't put the code in or have the phone here, select a gear, it's going to cut out. So start it up, select our gear, goes from ready to off, unable to drive it away. This is the Starline Pro. As we showed, pairs to the phone, so if you just turn the Bluetooth on, the car's going to start and you can drive off straight away. If your phone goes flat, you've got a push sequence. Protects the vehicle, gets key clone, relay attack, and as you've seen, this one's already been attacked. The customer luckily got it back with an AirTag, and now we've come to secure it. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.